So today I'm going to remove my windshield washer switch, basically just so I can test it out, make sure that's working. I don't think it is. My wipers work, but my washer doesn't. So we're just going to go over how to remove this switch because it is a pain. It's not easy. Okay, to start with, there's the screw on top. For me, it's on top. I don't know. It probably came off at some point. Realistically, I could see it being somewhere out of the way. Undo that screw. You can see that little indent in there. That's where it sits. So you just loosen the screw. It doesn't have to come out. Knob pops off. Then this is similar to the light switch. You can't see in there again because it's so rusty, but maybe you can see that. And right, oh, my hand's right in the way. Right there. So there's two indents on this. This is locked into place from the front side. Basically, this is a nut right here. This outer ring. It's a hollow nut that screws in on. It's like a bolt nut combination. But basically, just unscrew that, and then you can pop this hole. You can pop off the bezel, and the switch can come out the back side. Again, go over how to take that off now. So I got it started with the hammer. Now with two screwdrivers and the two indents, I can spin it around. I'm sure there's a special tool for this. I don't have it. I'm not patient enough to go get one, find one. So I'm being creative. And after much effort, this has come out. And you can see that's just a kind of a nut bolt combination right in there. And now the switch can come out the back side. And there it is in all its glory. Here's what I did is I basically just cleaned this up with my wire brush a little bit on the contacts, a little bit, and sprayed some nice O'Reilly's brake parts cleaner in, and you can spray it right in the holes here. This has started to come apart, but I didn't really want to take it apart because I didn't think if I took these tabs off that they would come back and hold it right. But basically, I was having, before I cleaned it, I had very inconsistent readings. It was jumping all over from ohms to mega ohms, kilo ohms, all over the place. Now, it's better. Not sure how well that showed, but basically I'm staying within a couple of ohms. So yeah, it's not perfect, but it's 100 times better than it was based on the fact of how much it was moving before. It was moving by thousands of ohms. Now it's only moving a couple ohms. So that's reading a lot more consistently and better for me. So I'm gonna try that and see what I get. All right, key on, and got it all plugged in. Wipers work a lot better. And I push the button, I still have nothing. Maybe I'll check up front. I got a big pile of water, which would be nice. That means it's working because all the hoses are broken, but the one going to the pump is good. So I'm gonna have a look, but this switch is a lot better. The wipers seem to be spinning a lot better too. So I'm glad that I did that because it seems like the wipers are gonna work a lot better for me now too. So here we go. I got the water primed and everything. Now everything works up top. Push the button. She's squirting. I of course have a broken hose over there that I capped, but windshield washer fluid is pumping. Call that a win. Call that a win. Hey, if you guys like what you see, if you could do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe below, comment, tell me what you think. If you don't like it, if you like it, let me know. Try to make it better. Thanks.